Good morning, students. Let us start today with another topic, comparison of numbers. That means we are comparing two numbers and later on more than two numbers. Comparison of numbers means to find the greater number and the smaller number in the given numbers. In order to compare the numbers, first we have to follow some rules. So let us see what are these rules. Rule 1. I am starting with the very small numbers, kids, so that you can understand. We first find the number of digits in the number. Now look at the example given. 68 is a two-digit number. 345 is a three-digit number. Obviously, 345, which is a three-digit number, is a greater number. Whereas 68 with two digits is a smaller number. Hope with this example you are able to understand the concept of greater and smaller. Let us do this with bigger numbers or the larger numbers. I have these two numbers here. Let's read out the numbers. 68,450. Second number, 3,45,721. Now, when we look at these numbers, this is a 5-digit number and this is a 6-digit number. So, which one is more? A 6-digit number, because it is also going in lakhs and this is in thousands. So, that is why more number of digits, that means bigger the number will be or greater it will be. So 3,45,721 is a greater number, whereas 68,450 is a smaller number. Here I have taken another example. Now what did you observe? The numbers in the digits in both the numbers are same. So what do we see? Whether it is how many digit number is this. So when I calculated and saw that it is a 6-digit number. The number is 9,99,999. Here this is a 7-digit number, which is 99 lakh. See, 9 lakh, 99 lakh. From here also you can make out 99 lakh 99,999. So this is a 7-digit number which is greater, and this is a 6-digit number which is smaller. Now students, every time I am saying this number is greater, this number is smaller, we have a shortcut for it. What? Let us see. Each time writing full sentences that a number is greater, number is smaller, takes a lot of time. So what do? We use the greater than sign or less than or equal to. As you can see, greater than, less than, equal to sign. Now this has a secret. What is the secret? It is the mouth of a crocodile. You see, you must remember now that in your lower classes you have done the comparison using the crocodile's mouth. Crocodile is a greedy animal. It would eat only the bigger numbers. So it is going to open the mouth towards the bigger number and its back. This is the back towards the smaller number. So what can we do? Let's see. Remember this number we did? Instead of writing this is bigger, this is smaller and so on, we are going to let the crocodile eat the bigger number. So it will be represented like this: 68,450, 3,45,721, and crocodile mouth is open towards 3,45,721. And what about this number? See, again the crocodile is going to open its mouth towards 99,999. Very easy. Just remember this sign. It will be open towards the bigger number and its back will be always towards the smaller number. Whether the bigger number is towards left hand side or right hand side, this does not matter at all. Let us do the rule 2. Rule 2 says if the numbers have same number of digits, earlier we did the number of digits in the number were different. Now look at these two numbers. This number is also starting from lakh, 3,98,552, and this is 5,47,830. So what do we do here? We check the place value. I'll tell you one way. What do? You write the places of the digits on the top. I have told you to do so earlier also while writing the numerals or number name. This will always be easy for you. In fact, in expanded form and standard form or the short form. Now, we always check the place value of the digits and we start from the left. This is the rule. We always start comparing from the left side. Now, the number is, the digit at lakhs place is 3 here. So, the value is 3 lakh. Here 5. So, value becomes 5 lakh. So, which one is bigger? 3 lakh, 5 lakh. 3 lakh is a bigger number. So, the crocodile mouth is going to open towards 5 lakh. 47,830 is a bigger number. Greedy crocodile is going to eat this number only. Let's take another example. Now here also the number of digits are same. So we check the place value and we start from left and left from here also. Now when we see that number at lakhs place, which is 4, is equal, let us go on to the next one. Now whenever you find a question like this, so you have to keep on moving from left to right. So now we are going to compare the digit or the number at 10,000s place. So here the digit or the number at 10,000s place is 3. Here also it is 3. Again both are same. Now we will go to thousands place. This is thousands place. The digit is 2. the value becomes 2000. This is thousands place and the digit is 6. The value is 6000. So they both are different number. So their value is different. So which one is bigger? 6000 or 2000? Now you know which one is bigger. 6000 is bigger. So if 6000 is bigger, that means this number is bigger. 4,36,932 is a greater number and 4,32,119 is the smaller number. Let's take another example. Very easy. You will be easily able to understand it. Observe the number. 56,31,267. Let's read the next number. 56,31,261. What did you observe? All the digits are same in the given number, exactly at the same place. So what do you think? The both numbers are equal. The numbers are equal. So what are we going to do? We are going to put equal to sign. We are going to put equal to sign because the number is same. Exactly same. Here are some more examples. So you need to put the sign. Greater than, less than, equal to. Let's read the first number. 43,776. And then another number is 54,998. Look at the digits. Here the digits are more. So this number is a greater number and the crocodile's mouth is opening here only. Let's see second question. Then look at number of digits first. The number of digits are 6 here and here also the number of digits are 6. So we compare the digits with their place values. 8 lakh, 7 lakh. So which number is bigger? 8,42,100 is a bigger number. Look at the third part. The number is 23,489. Next number is 25,600. The number of digits are same. We compare from left side. At 10,000's place we have 2 here and here also 2. So what do? We compare the digits at thousands place. The digit at thousands place is 3 here and here it is 5. Which one is greater? This one. 5 is greater, so this number is a greater number. Let's go on to the fourth part. 44,66,999. What is here? 44,66,999. Both are equal. So we are going to put equal to sign. I hope you are understanding, kids. It's very simple concept. You need to remember the rules. And how will you remember the rules? Once you practice and practice and practice, then only you will be able to remember the rules. Let us take the last example. 90 lakh 3,300. Another number is 90 lakh, 30,300. Now as you will start understanding the concept well, when you will read the number, you will be easily able to make out where the difference is. But right now, let us compare again from the left hand side. Digit at 10 lakh place is same. Digit at lakhs place is same. But digit at 10,000 place is 0 here, and here it is 3, and 3 is a bigger number than 0. So this number is greater and this number is smaller. We can find the greatest and the smallest number in a series also, which means that if you have more than 2 numbers, so we can compare them and find the greatest and smallest number. Let us read these numbers. 6,72,200. Second number is 6,75,600. Third number is 6,79,500. The last number, which is the fourth number, is 6,71,100. Here the rule remains the same. We have to first look at the number of digits. Here the number of digits is same. So we are going to start from left. Now observe the digit. 6, 6, 6 and 6 all are same at lakhs place. So we are going to look at the digits at 10,000 place. 7, 7, 7 and 7. So all the digits at 10,000 place is same. So we will move on to thousands place. 2, 5. So they're different. 9 and 1. So let's see their place value. 2,000, 5,000, 9,000, 1,000. So when we look at these numbers, we can easily make out that 9,000 is the largest number and 1,000 is the smallest number. So the number having 9,000 is 6,79,500. This is the greatest number, and 6,71,100 is the smallest number. Here are a few examples, and we are going to find the greatest and the smallest number in this. The first number is 4,32,919, 5,46,300, and the last number is 6,74,832. The number of the digits are same. So let us compare the first digit from the left. 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh. So 6 lakh is the greatest. 6,74,832 is the greatest number, and 4,32,919 is the smallest number. Look at the second question, second part. 54 lakh 2,100, 53 lakh 80,112, 57 lakh 80,112. So we can see that 57 lakh 80,112 is the greatest number, and 53,80,112 is the smallest number. Try the third part yourself. I am reading the numbers and till then you can find out. 23,44,778. Next number is 23,44,779. And the last one is 23,44,777. So 23,44,777 is the smallest number and 23,44,779 is the largest number. Hope you have understood this concept well. Try doing more and more questions. Make a worksheet and then solve them yourself. Show it to your parents and keep a record for yourself.